just getting home from work Saturday night. Chris always orders pizza with his friend and usually saves me a piece to see if, whatever, I'm hungry when I get home from work. Usually not, so I always give it to Riley. And he's waiting for me in the window right now. I can't tell, but he gets so excited that I come home, not because it's me, but because he gets pizza. So I'm gonna put this off for as long as possible and make him squirm. Oh, what is that? Oh! What do you want? What is it? I don't understand. What? What is it? What? I don't see it. What am I looking at? What? I'm gonna go sit down, okay? I'm gonna go over here. What? What is it? What is it? What's in there? What is it? What's in here? Is there something in here that you want? Oh, let's see. Oh, 3? 3 pieces? They're in there. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. I can't make you wait anymore. That's way too big. Oh! Oh. Are you a good boy? Are you a good boy? Yes! Okay, here you go. And all is fine in the world.